Namaste everyone and welcome back to Mahati Wellness series on Yoga Sutras of Maharishi Patanjali. In the previous sutra 1.43, Maharishi Patanjali described Nirvitarka Samapatti, a state where gross thought and memory dissolve and the object shines clearly. Now, in today's sutra 1.44, he takes us deeper into the subtle layers of meditation. The sutra itself is एतव्य सविचार निर्विचार च सूक्ष्म विषया विख्याता. The word by word meaning of the sutra is, the first word is etaya iva, meaning in the same way or through the same process. Second word is savichara, meaning meditation with subtle thoughts. Next word is nirvichara, meditation beyond subtle thoughts. The next word is cha, means and. Sukshma vishaya, meaning subtle objects. The last word here is vikhyata, are explained or understood. The meaning is, through the same process, savichar and nirvichar samapatti, which relate to subtle objects, are also understood. In this sutra, Maharishi Patanjali says, just as we understood gross samapattis through earlier sutras, we can now understand the subtle ones through the same process. Earlier, Maharishi Patanjali explained gross samapattis, savitarka and nirvitarka, which involve gross objects or their immediate impressions. Here in this sutra 1.44, he explains subtle samapattis, savichar and nirvichar. The first one is savichar samapatti, where the mind is absorbed in a subtle object such as energy, prana, inner sensations, qualities of the nature, or foundational principles, tanmatras. Here in this sutra, he explains subtle samapattis. The first one is savichar samapatti. Here the mind is absorbed in a subtle object such as energy, prana, inner sensations, qualities of nature, or foundational principles, tanmatras. Thought is still present, but very refined, almost like a whisper. The second is nirvichara samapatti. Even these subtle thoughts fall silent. Awareness rests directly in the essence of the subtle object. This is a very pure, luminous, quiet state of meditation. Let us understand that it is not the object that changes from gross to subtle. It is our experience that becomes more refined. The same subject reveals deeper layers as the mind becomes clearer. Just as looking at a flower. At first, you notice the shape, gross, then fragrance, texture, and feeling, subtle. Then an inner stillness and presence beyond description, very subtle. The flower didn't change, your mind did. This sutra reveals the evolution of awareness from gross to subtle to very subtle to beyond all objects. Each layer removes a layer of mental coloring. In Nirvichar Samapatti, a special inner clarity arises, a natural light of awareness that prepares the yogi for Ritambara Prajna, described in later sutras. Let us do a small reflection. Try observing the breath. First, notice the obvious movement of breath, sound of breath, temperature of breath. This is like vitarka. Then, notice subtler aspects. The pause between two breaths, inner feeling, energy flow. This is like vichar. Finally, allow even these to fade, resting in pure awareness. This approach is nirvichar. Essence of this sutra 1.44 is, meditation naturally moves from gross to subtle. The object is not changing, the mind is refining. Subtle samapattis reveal deeper clarity and inner luminosity. This prepares the yogi for highest intuitive knowledge. So, in today's Sutra 1.44, Maharishi Patanjali gently guides us from gross awareness into the subtle world within. As the mind becomes refined, awareness becomes clearer and more luminous. Do join me in the next episode for Sutra 1.45, where we reach the finest possible object of meditation. Namaste.